The Family Ministry Department exists to resource, equip, and support leaders, churches, and families to enrich their experience with God and empower them to pass on a legacy of healthy relationships in preparation for the soon coming of Jesus. Ellen White said that the well-being of society, the success of the church, the prosperity of the nation depend on home influence. So, as goes the family, so goes the church, and so goes the world. The family is the primary agency that God has put in place to transmit His values from one generation to another. And family ministry plays a vital role in supporting families in this task. We've prioritized family ministry leadership training, delivering foundational modules both live and online. We've also partnered with the Ministerial Association to equip our pastors in critical areas like safeguarding, domestic abuse awareness, trauma-informed ministry, and supporting couples in crisis. Throughout this quinquennium, in alignment with the General Conference Back to the Altar initiative, our focus has been on promoting family spirituality to stem the decline of family worship in our homes. We've focused on supporting marriages, parenting, and the overall emotional and relational well-being across our churches and communities. We've partnered with men's ministries, women's ministries, and singles ministries to address challenging realities that impact all dynamics of relationships. The rapidly changing landscape in family structure, worldviews, and postmodern ideologies has necessitated that we keep pace with exploring the cultural, theological, and societal forces shaping families today. This research has been vital in sharpening our strategy and guiding our programming and the resources we create. What has become clear is that in order to promote lasting change, we need to develop a more intentional pathway-based model for ministry. Events have their place, but significant change is most effective through process. Seminars, retreats, weeks of emphasis, they remain valuable. But lasting transformation happens through consistent, guided journeys. We also aim to strengthen how we measure impact, ensuring that our work is not only active, but effective and sustainable. Another important lesson has been the growing need to address emotional well-being and relational health more intentionally. As we've engaged with leaders and families, it is evident that spiritually vibrant homes are emotionally connected safe spaces. Emotional and psychological well-being are integral facets of our spiritual health, which cannot be neglected. We also cannot ignore the growing influence that technology is having on our families. Disturbing research is showing that young people are using AI as their first port of call for spiritual and relational guidance. We must not only respond to the dangers, but also harness the potential of technological advance by creating resources and platforms that foster deep connection, learning, and spiritual growth beyond the walls of the church. Ultimately, our goal is to support families in experiencing authentic, everyday faith and to help our churches become places of safety, growth, and empowerment. It's been an absolute pleasure to serve in this role. My greatest joy has been interacting with our church members from week to week and hearing how family ministries has positively impacted their lives. Together as co-workers with God, we continue the vital work of supporting families.